Today, we are talking about OpenClaw, the autonomous AI assistant that's taken the tech community by storm. Most AI agents marketed as personal aren't actually personal. They log your interactions and process your data on someone else's infrastructure. OpenClaw was built as a direct answer to that problem, but only if you run it the right way. That's what we're covering today. So what is OpenClaw? It's an AI assistant that you deploy and control yourself. It can manage your calendar, browse the web, read and send emails, run scripts, and even write new skills for itself. And it's completely free. You bring your own API key and run it where you want. Here's the thing most people don't think about when they use AI agents. When you grant an AI access to check your calendar, book meetings, or scan your files, you are exporting your private data to external servers. For individuals, that's a privacy problem. For businesses, it can be a serious liability, especially if you're storing sensitive customer data or intellectual property. OpenClaw was built to solve this. Because it runs locally, your context and interaction history stay on your hardware. But here's the catch. Running OpenClaw on your personal laptop sounds great in theory. In practice, it creates real risks. OpenClaw is powerful because it has deep access to your system, your files, your browser, your apps. That's also what makes it dangerous if it's not properly contained. Running it on the same machine where you store your personal data is like giving a contractor a master key to your house because they need access to one room. It's a lot more exposure than the job requires. Also, leaving your personal computer running 24/7 can be a performance bottleneck. Plus, if your home internet goes down, your agent goes dark. The smarter approach? Run it on an isolated cloud server, entirely separate from your personal machine. This is where Kamatera comes in. Kamatera gives you a clean, dedicated cloud environment to run OpenClaw the right way. You can spin up a virtual machine with exactly the CPU, RAM, and storage you need. Deploy OpenClaw in an isolated environment behind a firewall with no connection to your personal device. Your data stays on a server you control. And with Kamatera's pay-as-you-go pricing, you're only charged for the resources you actually use. When your usage grows with more agents, more integrations, and more automations, scaling up takes a few clicks. You're not locked in a long-term commitment. For businesses especially, hosting OpenClaw on Kamatera means you can give your team the productivity benefits of a personal AI agent while keeping sensitive company data private. Ready to build your private AI assistant? Click the link in the description to start your 30-day free trial with Kamatera and get your OpenClaw agent running in minutes. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to the Kamatera channel. We've got a lot more coming your way.